Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe Preferred. Comes equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, panoramic sunroof, drive mode selector, heated steering wheel, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom, some speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accents here. And we've got these leather heated seats, super comfortable. And left side will be your vents with lane keep assist, as well as your traction control. And left side will be your voice recognition, and as well as your volume, with the right side being your forward gap adjuster and odometer cluster. You can access all your vehicle information, including your gauges, your fuel economy, driver assistance, and all that fun stuff. Paddle shifters right behind. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Oops. You can also connect to Hyundai Blue Link, as well as your voice memo, access the climate as well, and valet mode for quiet. Below you're going to have your climate controls, and you're going to have the shifter here with drive mode selector, heated steering wheel, as well as park assist, hill descent control, and again that drive mode selector with USB port and center console storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated, with silver accents across, speakers, vents up top, and then here you can access reading lamps, as well as your SOS, and panoramic sunroof. So you get these 18-inch aluminum wheels on Kumho tires with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles, luggage side rail up top, deep tint rear glass in the back here. When you hop in the back, you got the 60/40 folding split seats here, and as well as some extra storage with 12 volt and extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again more paneling and storage. Next to the speaker with the power windows, you get the built-in sunshades here. You hop in the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger side with rear vents and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. You got lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. Great, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe Preferred, equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as leather heated seats, panoramic sunroof, drive mode selector, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.